Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a color-coded drop-down list in Smartsheet, along with a little twist, adding visual cues like color or even symbols to really make your sheets pop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create drop-down lists that instantly show task status with colors, making your projects easier to track at a glance. Let's jump right in. First, we need to head over to Smartsheet. Go ahead and open up your Smartsheet dashboard. If you're following along in real time with me, you can click into the sheet where you'd like to set this up. If you're new to Smartsheet, don't stress, you can start with just a blank sheet. What matters is that you have the right column ready to use for your dropdown. Okay, let's imagine we've got a sample sheet in front of us. Maybe this is your team's task tracker or a personal to-do list or even a status update log for a big project. For this demonstration, I have a column that's going to show the status of each task in a super clear way. Instead of just typing done or not done, we're going to use a drop-down menu with a color code or symbol that gives you visual feedback at a glance. So how does this work? Here's the magic. When an item isn't completed, we want it to stand out in red. If it's in progress, yellow is a perfect caution color that says, hey, this isn't done yet, but we're working on it. And finally, once a task is totally finished, it turns green, that universal sign for good to go. You might have seen similar systems in traffic lights, and it works here for exactly the same reason. Your brain just gets it right away. Now to set up the dropdown, click on the column heading, maybe it's called status or something similar, then head to the column properties or settings. Choose dropdown list as the column type. Now here where the magic happens. Enter the options you want for your dropdown menu. You could type not completed, in progress, and done nice and clear. If you want to add a little extra clarity, you can even use symbols or emojis. For example, you might enter not completed, in progress, and done. This not only adds a splash of color, but also helps teams who process information visually. So once you've set those up, click OK and let's test it out. Try switching the drop-down selection for a few tasks. If you've set up conditional formatting, that's what makes the real difference. For anyone unfamiliar, conditional formatting is like giving Smartsheet a set of instructions. Whenever cell says not completed with a red dot, make the background color of that cell or even the whole row red. The same goes for yellow and green. This visual feedback can be a game changer for team productivity because it lets you spot issues or bottlenecks instantly without even needing to read the words. If you're collaborating with others, it keeps everyone literally on the same page. That's really all there is to it. In just a couple steps, you've given your Smartsheet a visual upgrade that can make your workflow clearer, faster, and way more efficient. If this walkthrough helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely helps others find tutorials like this. Drop any questions or tips you might have in the comments. I always love hearing how you use these features. And if you want more smart productivity tips, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.